Now today we'll be unboxing the Microsoft Surface Laptop Go. Microsoft launched the Microsoft Surface Laptop Go on the 1st of October 2020. Starting at a price of $549, the machine runs on the latest Windows 10 operating system. This device is loaded with advanced features but is still reasonably priced. This machine hit the market on October the 13th, year 2020. Coming to the front screen, Microsoft has used Pixel Sense technology on a relatively smaller 12.4-inch touchscreen. At an aspect ratio of 3:2, the screen resolution stands at 1536 by 1024 pixels. A 720 pixel high-definition resolution webcam is fitted in the frame at the top of the screen. A fingerprint scanner is available in some of its versions, while it's lacking in the others. In the Surface line laptops of Microsoft, the Surface Laptop Go is the most lightweight. The top surface of the Surface Laptop Go is created out of aluminium, while the major portion of its body frame is plastic. Instead of the traditional driver-driven touchpads, it features the precision touchpad driven by Windows. The keyboard has an advanced backlit technology. This machine features a Surface Connect charging port, which is also useful for data to be sent and be received at USB 3 speeds. Apart from data exchange, the Surface Connect port acts as a video output medium as well. For connectivity, a USB Type-A and a USB Type-C port have been provided. The device also provides room for a headphone jack. This machine works on Intel's latest 10th generation Core i5 processor. The basic model has been fitted with a 4 GB RAM and a 64 GB of multimedia card storage. Other features included are the Bluetooth 5 and the latest Wi-Fi 6 standard. A non-stop 13 hours of battery life and fast AC charging can surely be expected. Thanks for watching. And hey, do like, share and subscribe to our channel. It's time to say goodbye. See you soon.